Hi guys, we're back talking about a problem about washing our hands. So if you remember, our letter is going to everybody in the classroom, okay? Dear classmates, so your classmates is everyone in your class. Please wash your hands. Now, we need to come up with our opinion. That's how you feel, okay? So I'm going to come up and say, I think. I know that TH makes the sound. E, E, K, think. I think that not washing your hands is gross. So I'm going to finish. I think that, that's one of my sight words, that not, wash. So we have wash up here. Washing. Washing. Your hands is, that's a sight word, gross. Gr. GR makes the gr sound. Gross. Okay? Now, not only do I think it's gross, but it is not healthy. So I'm going to write another reason. Okay, so I'm going to flip over to my other page. Okay, and say, I also think it is unhealthy. So I know how to write I. Also. So I also think you should wash your hands because it's healthy. Okay. I also think you should. Sh. I know that SH makes the sh sound. Sh. Should wash your hands because. Because is a long word, but it's up on our word wall. But if you don't know how to spell it, I'll help you. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. So now we have to tell another reason why washing our hands is a problem. Okay? I also think you should wash your hands because. Why? Thank you, Michael. Because it can keep you healthy. Because it can keep you healthy. Help me sound it out. Good. H L healthy. Okay. I also think you should wash your hands because it can keep you healthy. All right, guys. Finish up your writing and then bring it back on Monday to show us. I'm curious to see why you think your problem is a problem.